So we've just finished up a little cheeky trip to Doodle Door.
Doodle Door.
We've done a separate vlog on that one, so if you want to go check that out.
Go check it out. That was pretty, actually, very pretty, wasn't it?
Oh, it was stunning.
Enjoyed it.
So we're heading back to camp now. We're just stuck at a train crossing. We've been sat here for so long that I think Stu's going to turn the engine off in a minute.
I've probably gone through about 10 quid's worth of petrol weight tonight.
Yeah, check out this junction as well. Like, that's going to be such joy to pull out of.
Oh, there's the train.
There we are. We'll get ready to go in a second then.
Right, all this traffic's gonna move, and before I'm able to get out, the barriers are gonna come back down again.
So the plan now is to head back and get the kids to have some more energy burnt off. Apparently Doodle Door wasn't enough to wear them out. So we've just got back to site, and Man-Butt's gone back up to reception to pay and do all the biz. He's managed to move pitch. So whilst I've been here cleaning, he's managed to get us a pitch that looks straight at the park.
So we're uploading a video onto YouTube, and it was taking 2.5 hours, and I've got it down to 1 hour and 18 minutes. How, you ask? Let me show you. Here's my little trick.
Hang on, who told you to put it up there?
Only because I've done it before. So normally the Wi-Fi is just kept in one of the windows, but if we want better Wi-Fi,
stick it where the seagulls go.
and then what I've done, I don't know if I can show you this, and then the power bank is just hiding over there, so it's connected to a power bank and is up on the roof.
Up on the
We had to do that before, didn't we?
Yeah, well actually the last time you did it I laughed and said it looked really funny.
But it
and
works.
Then he's sitting there having a right old paddy strop because his time kept going up on how long it was going to take to upload. So I was like, go and do your little trick. And straight away it came down, didn't it?
Well, we're down to 1 hour and 4 minutes from 2.5 hours.
There you are. We were saying, weren't we, that when it's inside, this obviously is a metal
shell.
Yeah. So is that then what's perhaps distorting the signal?
I don't know, because maybe, but we always put it in the window to try and allow the signal to be clearer anyway. You know, we don't put it like on the table or on the side somewhere. It's always in the window. So I thought that would have been better, but just going from the window there to on top of the skylight like that, obviously is a massive difference because it's more than half the upload time.
Do you think 3 or EE or someone would give us an antenna? You know, like, can you buy?
Yeah, you can. So you know, like you got your aerials up top, and you can put various bits and bobs on top. There is a little mini. It looks more like a bowl, and that goes on your roof. That connects to, you know. Then you like for the aerial, we've got the receiver in there, the amplifier.
Oh, right, yeah.
Well, you have something that looks like that you put your SIM card into. So the antenna is on your roof, comes down to a module inside the van that you then put your SIM card into. So that is an option. I think he quoted us about 300, maybe 400 quid to have that put on.
Do it. You don't want to be doing this kind of rubbish. Not when we're on big adventures, love. And, you know, you need to upload this video.
That's so important, see.
It is important.
Anyway, we just thought we'd share that with you guys.
Yeah. Tonight is movie night.
Cool.
Look at you all, your popcorn, your crisps and your nibbles. Enjoy it, guys. What are we watching?
I don't know. I love this show.
What is it?
Disney's
What's it called?
Up.
Up. That's okay, cool.
I don't know that one.
Nor me. Hopefully, though, it'll give us an hour.
At least. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our channel.
It's a nice little walk.
Got a castle on the hill, a little moat down below.
There you are, so it's telling you about the sycamore trees. Come on then, let's look out for the leaves. They've got our 5 points on them.
5 points.
Yep.
What? Five.
Sycamore leaves. They've got 5. They've got 5 points on them.
Why?
That's just the shape of them. See if I can find you one now.
See, sycamore.
Ah, see? Sycamore. Well done, Dax.
I know why. For records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can't believe you're encouraging the sheep to bar.
Meh. Ball. Meh. Meh.
Oh, Daddy's in on the act now.
Meh. 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 Meh.
That's not today's prices, surely not.
Yeah. Oh no, that's become a member. The prices are yeah, it's even worse.
It's even worse.
£10 an adult, £5 a child. So everybody, here's Corfe Castle, have a look.
You're welcome. If you don't want to go in, you are more than welcome to go up onto the bridge. So the entrance actually is up by that archway.
Oh, is it? Oh, thank you. Do you want to have a quick look by here? Yeah, the man bit is clearly too tight to become a national member.
I would be more inclined to become a member, but £35 to look at some, again, stack stones.
It's history.
I can see it. Look what I see. I can see Corfe Castle right here, everybody. I don't need to touch the rock. I have touched many rocks in my life. I can see it. I'm happy.
Oh look, we've got a timeline here. What's it off? 970. King Edward the Martyr was murdered by his stepmother. 1086, a few years after the battles of Hastings, William the Conqueror swapped a church in Gingham for this land, where he began to build the castle. 1106, Henry I he had a brother he didn't get on with, so he fought a battle against his older brother, Robert of Normandy. Shut him in the keep, that's nice, isn't it? Keeping him as a prisoner.
Yeah.
Henry.
Okay, 1138, while Stephen was king, his cousins, the Empress Matilda, raised an army against him. She thought she should be the queen, fair enough.
This one.
What's that one? 1199 to 1214, King John imprisoned his French niece, Princess Eleanor of Brittany, at Corfe Castle.
She survived, but 22 of her knights were not so lucky when her year war passed. Only. But around tower, you might be
Ooh, so they starved him in a dungeon below Dexter. That's not very nice, is it? 1220 to 1294. During this time, the castle the inhabitants went about their daily lives. Henry III and Edward I made many home improvements and modernised the defences. Very good, boys.
And only.
1572, the last royal owner, Queen Elizabeth I, sold the castle to one of her favourites, Sir Christopher Hatton. Wow, sold it for £4,762.
That's not.
It would have been a lot of money back then.
Yeah.
This one.
What's that one then, Amelia? Castle was sold to Lord Chief Justice Sir John Banks.
Then you go on to this one.
Yeah, that looks like a war to me. 1643 to 1646. Under the command of the brave Dame Mary Banks, Corfe Castle's twice held off sieges in the Civil War. It was finally captured because of treachery from within its walls. Lady Banks was allowed to leave unharmed in recognition of her bravery and was given the keys to the castle. 1646, 1663. Partial demolition and looting of the castle. By order of Parliament, Lady Banks' son Ralph tried to recover what he could. He later built a new mansion near Wimborne. There you go. And finally, 1982, after 3.5 centuries of ownership by the Banks family, the castle was given to the National Trust. This is incredibly generous gift included countryside, coastline, farms, nature reserves and the mansion at King Lacey. Wow. So the castle was given.
A lot.
So they had it for free and
and
they're
now they
charging
wanna
everyone to go in. Unbelievable.
How did I know you would feel like that? Stu don't like being ripped
That's
off.
typical, though, isn't it? Yeah, it's like, well, they've been giving it for free. And they're going to charge everyone to go in because they put 3 lights above the drawbridge.
I think they're security cameras.
Probably. To stop the non-payers going in. Nice little village here, though.
Yeah, it's lovely. Look, you've got a sweet shop there, Stu.
Yeah, candies. Now we have some candy.
We've got... Oh, this is lovely.
Ma.
A village bakery. You're going to get some bread? So we got ourselves some pasties and some coffees. We're in the village. As you can see, it's stunning. There's an old mill down there. Look, can you see the mill? And then there's the castle on the top. That little house by there, that's the mill.
The one with the one chimney.
Yeah. And then if you look up above the mill, that little house there, look above, and there's the castle. Wow. That's where the mill would, that would have been where the big wheel would have gone. That's the front of the mill. I've just shown everybody the back of it. Isn't that lovely?
This is the real deal. We were right at this bakery.
Yeah, we were. So I've got a bit of a correction to make.
Yeah.
When we were walking around the castle, I thought the castle had a moat. And in fact it's not, it's its own river. So I just thought I'd better recognise that because I've made a bit of a mistake, and I know you guys would just correct me if I hadn't said it myself. So yeah, Corfe Castle does not have its own moat with a water. It's Corfe River. So that's that done. So what's next? Jumping in the motorhome and seeing what we can find.